If you're working with an old pneumatic actuator and wondering if you can just replace it with a newer electric version, short answer is yes, but you should think about a few things before you do. The old adage, plan your work and work your plan, definitely applies here. First, you need to find the appropriate actuator to fit your valve body or damper shaft. Both of these are usually easy to do with a retrofit kit for valves or some linkages for dampers. Next, you need to figure out your wiring route. You're replacing pneumatic lines that were run many years ago and took a path from a pneumatic controller, which, reminder, probably doesn't have power nearby. So the route you take using your cable with supply power and control signal from the building automation controller could be completely different. The time and labor to do this is what can sometimes make a simple actuator changeout a pricey option. If you want to learn more about your pneumatic changeout options or how Kele can provide you and your customers with the best building automation products available, contact us. We'll help you find the right parts for you and your customer's application.